So next I'm going to talk about speed of thinking or speed of information processing. So one of the things that our brains depend upon to function is the connections between the nerve cells or the neurons in the brain cells. And our brains, as you can see from the image here, are full of billions of connections, and that's why our brains are so powerful as information processing systems. Our ability to think quickly, to decide things quickly, to react to the world, to interact with the world at speed, all depend upon these connections being fast and smooth. But one of the things about brain injury is it can disrupt those connections. So the way that the neurons connect to each other, if neurons are damaged as a result of a brain injury, whether that's in head injury where neurons can be torn or stretched, or in a stroke or a hemorrhage where damage may have happened to some of the neurons to disrupt the connections between different parts of the brain, or in other neurological conditions. What happens is that the connection between different parts of the brain can be slower because of these disruptions. And so one of the consequences of that is that the speed with which thinking happens slows down. So it's harder to process information, to react quickly, to think quickly. So it can feel that things are more demanding or things are more difficult. In fact, we know that can also contribute to feelings of fatigue. So it can feel that thinking is more effortful. So trying to decide or to concentrate, to learn and to remember can feel more effortful and more demanding because things are not going at the same speed, and that can actually contribute to feelings of fatigue. And of course, when you're feeling fatigued, it's then also harder to think and to process information. So the speed with which we think is an important function of our brains, and something that can be affected by brain injury.